Hi and welcome to my YouTube studio. Today let's do a quick follow-up on probably the hottest topic of the last week, almost 2 weeks, Gatwick Airport incident. If you do not yet know what happened last week at Gatwick, the second largest airport in the Great Britain, is that the Gatwick was closed for almost 3 days because of the drones. Yes. What happened? In the Wednesday 21st, I think it was 21st or 20 something December 2018, drones were spotted. So the airport was closed. Then in the middle of the night, someone decided it's safe to fly airplanes, big airplanes, I mean the airliners again, and they opened and they spotted the drones again, closed, spotted another drone, closed, spotted another drone, and so on and so on and so on. As a result, for 3 days, almost 3 days, Gatwick was closed. 100,000, more than 100,000 people were affected. Few hundred flights were affected. In general, catastrophe. The biggest catastrophe since the volcano accident in 2010 or something like that. Okay, in my last video on the topic, I said that if this was caused by the hobby flyers, then they should go to jail. And that if someone really wanted to hurt anyone with the rogue, dangerous armed drone, he would have done it. Because the Gatwick security apparently had no idea what they were doing. But a week later, we know on one hand slightly more, on the other hand slightly less, because A, someone was arrested. 2 people, married couple from around Gatwick were arrested because of it was them. Their identity was revealed and stuff like that. It was them, and everything was clear. They are guilty. Guess what? Turned out they aren't, because after 36 hours they were released without pressing any charges. Interesting? Kinda interesting. Why they were arrested? Because probably someone, there is this guy, he flies drones, he posted an image of his drone, and it was him, and a few years ago he was let's call him environmental activist. Okay. And now, here comes the funniest part of this all. Someone from the police said, there might not be a drone at all. How does this come into general narration when, the drones are so bad and they are doing nasty stuff? Interesting, right? Police said that there were 67 drone sites, 67 cases when someone reported there is a drone flying over there, by more than 50 people. Some of them were the police officers, and everyone knew that there are drones, a lot of drones, deliberately disturbing the Gatwick Airport. Also, at the end of my video, I stated that this might be something completely else, and the longer I hear about what happened at Gatwick, I'm more and more convinced that there were no drones. Come on, no drones at all, because, come on, 67 sightings. Guess how many pictures, videos of the rogue drones disturbing Gatwick Airport? I'm not the biggest fan of the conspiracy theories. I don't like conspiracy theories. I don't believe conspiracy theories, but come on, everyone has a smartphone right now. Almost everyone has a photo camera, a video camera in the smartphone. And guess what? No pictures, no images, nowhere. To make things even funnier, the Sun, it was the Sun. Okay, I'm not from Great Britain, but I know that you never, absolutely never should believe what Sun wrote, because Sun is like making stuff up. But the Sun posted an article, I think on the internet, that no, there were no drones, those were lights on the crane 6 kilometers from the Gatwick Airport. Come on, what the hell is really happening right over there? Yesterday, I read that someone from the Gatwick police is, I don't want to say pressing, but is very strongly suggesting that maybe Great Britain should have a special, and I mean special, super special police team designed to fight drones. Which drones? I really would like to see some kind of an evidence that there really were drones over Gatwick Airport. 67 sightings, no pictures posted anywhere, nobody saw anything, only people are like, well, yeah, I saw a drone. Was it a drone? Was it a bird? Was it a shopping bag? Because yeah, in the past we had cases where someone saw a drone, an airplane pilot of the airliner, and turned out it was a white airbag. Okay, phantoms are white, so yeah, white airbag, it makes sense. Does it? Really does it? A lot of people in the comments in my previous video say that it was a false flag operation made by the government to, I don't know, cover something up. Like I said, I usually do not believe the conspiracy theories, but maybe something really was happening and the drones are only a pretext. Is there an English word pretext? They are only pretending it's a drone to cover things up, because it doesn't make sense. Because let's be honest, to close an airport for 3 days with a single drone, how? 2 drones, 3 drones? So maybe there was a whole fleet of drones and someone was flying those drones from 100 kilometers away. Russia? Okay. Okay, maybe I went one step too far, but I less and less believe that there really were drones at Gatwick and only the officials are trying to cover some things up. Because show us any proof. Okay, this is all for today. Oh, someone is flying today. Huh, nice one. Okay, that's all for today. Until the next one. Bye bye.